MLA ke National People Party ubalong ru sembut menteri rangba ke jelau ba presto tensong ulapen scam yela ke jingkren bakaladon ke jingkro na kaliang unong yelam kaliang persya u Dr. Mukul Sangma banwan senrop lang bantau ke sorkar ke jela uba presto nuloong baka jinge keren ke don bon lenti ha kabaw lawan hi daladi lani uklamwan hendrei ki don ki babun kilat ki lenti ban yepen bej ya ki kam ki jam lada umdei u Dr. Mukul ubalawan hi hendrei ulapha do briu jong u kane kamut balaya kendu ye u kata kapang ban ye keren la ban kedo hangne bana kaliang u Dr. Mukul Sangma ula kentai ia ka jingkam jong ba preston bola lej ban pan ka jingkershan na u banyo bantau ka sorkar ha ka jela uba preston uloong ba unyang bait ha ka e ka bola dep ban keren bakala judon ka jing persang la ka dei na kaliang ka parti NPP ka parti UDP lani na kiwei ki parti ki bala persang ban khot bantau sorkar lang harengkat ka jing terwa ba kinyo long minister lani kiwei Om tang ha ka NPP, Henry ha UDP, ha NCP, lani ha kano ka sengsain perthei. Halor ka jingkran uba HDR lingdo ubala keno baka NPP kala shim ka jingyo jong ka jilla ban bay pisa na ka benta ban snai ka office shabar ka jilla uba presto nuloong baka ni ka de ka kamparti ban om den hok banwan ban tuklar ya ka te ka benta.
I think let me just again stick to my statement. There was an attempt, be it from NPP, be it from UDP, be it from our alliance in the MDA. The attempt was, please come with us, let us form a government, and then we will give you whatever you want, ministership, this, that, we will give you. It was there. And not only NPP, you go and ask from UDP, you go and ask from PDF, you go and ask from even from NCP, you go and ask even from HSP. It was there, very glaringly. It was there.
But instead you may
see the communication. We have so many ways. The communication we have so many ways. Whether he comes personally or he does not, but I'm telling you, communication is we have so many so many ways how to communicate. That's what I'm saying. It was him only who sent. If he does not meet me, but he sent somebody to meet me, means I met him. That's the point. That is our internal. That is our internal party affairs. So I would like to ask the same question to HDR Lungdo, being the leader of the Congress. He used to donate fund to the party. And then easy, especially Congress party is all over India. So why should you allege us? Ourselves, we are concentrating ourselves in Northeastern state right now. And Congress party, I've been in Congress for so many years. I know what is the system we do. From the MLA, we used to give donation. The donation is what? To the party. Why? Because we want every state in the country. Our party grows, our party becomes strong. That's what. So therefore, his allegation is baseless. Being a seasoned politician, he should not ask this silly question. I personally feel he should not ask that.